Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Cardano from your Tangem wallet to your Phantom wallet in 2025. With the latest updates in blockchain tech, this process is faster and more secure than ever before. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently from the comfort of your device. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and updated. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your phone or computer. You'll see your dashboard. Locate your Cardano assets and select them. This is where you check your balance to decide how much you want to transfer. Next, switch over to your Phantom wallet. If you haven't already, add Cardano to your Phantom wallet by going to the Settings or Assets section and searching for ADA. Once it's there, generate a receiving address. Copy this address carefully. It's your golden ticket for the transfer. Now, head back to Tangem. Hit the Send or Transfer button for your Cardano. Paste in the Phantom wallet address, enter the amount you want to send, and double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, these are often minimal thanks to improved network efficiency. Before you confirm, add an extra layer of security. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already, and make sure you're on a secure network. Once you're good, hit confirm and watch the magic happen. The transaction should process quickly, but keep an eye on it through both wallets until it's fully confirmed. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer Cardano from Tangem to Phantom in 2025. This method keeps your funds safe and your portfolio flexible. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.